Yeah, it really is massive. Pictures don't do it justice. So I'm gonna do some testing. Here's the beast. Can I open the truck? Yeah. Alright. Can't quite reach it, huh?
Yes. That is more higher than. That's the same size. You can make it.
Oh, I like that. Oh, you're gonna make it in?
I want to make it in bed to store too.
Okay. Just be careful.
I hope you don't lose me.
Need help?
I just need to lift me up a little.
Oh, that's it. Ready?
I'm able to crawl up here.
Got it? Alright.
Buckle.
Oh, you're gonna buckle too? Does that mean you want to go for a ride?
Yes.
Alright, here. Hold this cup holder. I'll grab this magnet. Should we roll down the window? It's hot. You want that one? Alright, don't touch those handles. They have a tendency to open pretty easily. So. Huh? This one to be down. Good. Huh?
I imagine that it was gonna be yours.
Finally got it running, huh?
Yeah? How you been?
Pretty good. I was actually going to go out to see you.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because I'm like, oh, I wonder how he's doing right now.
Yeah, everything's good.
Oh, I'm getting out of this guy's way.
Man, that thing looks big.
I got it from Tennessee. We just drove it 2,000 miles.
Oh really?
Came in last 2 days ago.
Oh yeah?
So Friday night.
Was it
So, yeah, I don't see why it wouldn't be.
Oh, California.
I know what it is because of the carb laws.
Yeah.
25 years or older.
Oh,
It's got to be, then I can register it as historic. So. Alright, so. Not sure why the battery went dead.
Now it's not dead.
I don't know why it shut off. Usually it doesn't. Very loud. Yeah, there's the truck. Bit bumpy. Trees. And we can open up the window. Where? Oh no, that's not a crack, that's a bug. It got squished. Let's see if I remember I did this. Easily, you see? This goes like this.
You know how now. That's some water in here. Dada, we have some water here. So you can drink some water in here, Dada. Dada.
Ah,
We're gonna bring this water.
Alright, that should let us in. Oh, put it in drive. Ah, there we go. Now we got some fresh air. You want to go sideways? We're just on dirt. Hold on. Air brakes. We already passed his house. Do we go or do we stop? We're going right now. Hold on. Nope. Military specs it so it doesn't do that. It takes forever to turn this thing around. That was his house, yeah. Those are some big bumps. I don't know if we can continue on. Trying to make it in there? I don't know when you make that turn. Oh, see, that was the rubbing I was worried about. Yep. Oh, our 54s. I'm just gonna check it real quick. Don't know which tire's doing what. Alright. Huh? No, stay up there for a sec. Alright. Tires are huge. Let's try it again. The bed. Yeah, we made it. After the tire rubbing up against the frame. Yeah. Oh, that was fun. We're gonna go through another alley on our main road. Whoa! Yeah, we may have to turn. Watch out for wires.